Some people think that being a role model means that you have to always set a good example, you have to seem like you have it all together at all times, you have to be this perfect kind of person, and that you can't show that you have struggles like a normal human being. But honestly, that's not at all what a good role model should embody. I'm here to present this award for being an extraordinary role model to the community. And I think this woman, she shows her struggles, she shows how she's overcame them, she fights on a daily basis to better herself, and she just even shows how successful she's been despite everything that she has been through in her life. I'm here to present this award to Demi Lovato. I think that she's an amazing young woman who embodies everything that a good role model should. She has had many, many struggles in her life, but she doesn't hide them from everyone. And she doesn't try to pretend that she's someone that she's not. And I feel that that is her greatest strength. There's nothing more beautiful than just being truly and unapologetically yourself. One of Demi's biggest struggles has been her drug addiction that she's fought for years. In 2018, she actually had a nearly fatal drug overdose that she actually survived. Unfortunately, she didn't come out unscathed. She did have some brain damage and she's partially blind, but she still fights every single day to be a better person, and she's doing much better than she has in the past, and I think that that's truly, truly amazing. And sometimes your rock bottom is your trampoline. And although I don't struggle with the same things that she does, she still shows me and lots of other women that it's okay to not be okay, and it's okay to struggle with things, and it's okay to ask for help. Demi still has accomplished a lot in her 28 years. She's an extraordinary actress, singer, and songwriter. In 2002, her career started with Barney and Friends, and then later on in 2008 was when she got her lead role in Camp Rock, and that's kind of when her music career really took off. And she's got a bunch of albums, she has over 40 music videos, over 40 singles, 61 awards, and over 200 nominations for other awards that she could have gotten. And despite all of the things that she's been through, her music was her outlet, and she continued to make strides in her music career. She's never let failure stop her. Even she got down, fell down, got back up, and just continued to go. Demi is also a huge advocate for embracing your natural beauty. She has fought with bulimia for years and finally overcame that struggle, and now she shows that normal bodies are just as beautiful. Looking in the mirror at yourself and trying to truly love yourself is not the easiest thing to do, especially with the internet these days setting the unrealistic expectations of what a woman's body should look like. Demi shows everyone that your normal, natural body is just as beautiful, if not more beautiful, and that you can love yourself no matter what. She's an amazing woman and embodies everything that a role model should. She's beautiful, she's courageous, strong, she's true to herself and to her fans. She doesn't hide behind a mask and try to pretend that she's perfect. She shows us all that we're all beautiful and we should be happy with just who we are and that we can handle anything that life throws at us. That's why I'm nominating her for being such an exceptional role model for the community. Congratulations, Demi Lovato.